This video is about how to de-time align your factory system. So let's for the start with a clean signal. So I'm comparing left and right channel for the front. That's what I'm interested in. I'm playing back pink noise through the Kenwood deck. Here I can just turn the speakers on. But for the input analyzer, I don't need the speaker actually be playing, so I've got them all on mute. Now I put the AMI connected to the DSP that I've got installed, the legendary Match 5.4 DSP, and here I've got left and right channel at the same distance, so now the signal should be clean. If I go to the DSP tool, here in the input, clicking to AISA to turn that on, it tells you you should plug the RCA that's coming back to this AMI to this port, and you start your analyzer. So let's start with the front left channel, and instantly we see the spectrum. It's flat as it should be, so this Kenwood indeed provides us with flat signal all across. The same for the right channel. You put it next to the left. Now you are comparing both channels, how they perform. Again, super flat, it's all good. I'm just gonna indicate here the time difference on one of them channels, say this one's for 25 centimeters perhaps. Okay, so now I've got time difference on the channels. What happens here? Suddenly in the system, when I measure it, I can see a comp filter show up. This indicates there's a time difference between the two channels you're measuring. How to time align it? Over here, and in the top bar, you click to time alignment, and then you can change time on each of the channels. Okay, I've put right channel. Let's see what happens if I start with the channel B. What you want to see is the comp filter to be traveling rightwards to the right to disappear completely by indicating more time on one of the channels. And indeed, it's happening. So I'm putting a delay and the comp is disappearing. Now I went too far, so it starts crumbling back. So what you want to find, because you don't know it's 25 centimeters, right? So you're gonna take your time and go slowly and just click in on your keyboard, and you go as long as you need for the comp to disappear fully. Okay. Now it's gone. What happens if I go one more? Okay, it's creeping back. So I went too far. So I go back, maybe one less step. See, it actually did find the very one distance, and that's how you do it. So we've just showed you how effectively de-time align your factory system, and then you can start moving on to your actual outputs and do your actual output EQ tuning, because you've got flat signal from both of the left and right channels. Obviously there could be more issues like filters, all pass filters, etc., phase issues, but for the time align, this is how you de-time align your factory system.